Hello, welcome to the Quick Pallet Maker software. In this example, we will explain how to load pallets into a container that can only be placed on one of its sides. In this case, they can also only be placed transversely. First, we call a new data sheet, no container. Previously, we had set the millimeters and kilograms units. And now we start by picking the container type. We click here on the pallet stack, and then we look for the data. Here we will only use two pallet types, okay, with their own dimensions. We copy them and paste them onto QPM. You see that one is colored salmon and the other one's colored light blue. We have 10 of the first type and 8 of the second type. Now we make sure that we have here this pallet stack selected, and we select both pallets and we make sure that the width is selected, which means that they will be only loaded transversely to the inside the container. Now we click on container fill and we see that they have been loaded transversely first, the one type of pallet, and next the second type of pallet. Thank you.